You are about to eat something your great-great-grandmother would not recognize, not because it is exotic, because it was engineered, flavored, preserved, stabilized, and designed in a laboratory to make you want more of it before you have even finished what is in your hand. And somewhere deep in your gut, something ancient is confused. Because your digestive system was not built for this. It was built over 2.5 million years for something completely different. And the gap between what it expects and what you are feeding it is one of the most quietly consequential mismatches in modern human life. So what did ancient humans actually eat? The short answer is everything, and not much of any one thing. Anthropologist Richard Wrangham at Harvard has argued that the single most transformative event in human dietary history was not agriculture. It was fire. Cooking, he believes, preceded our genus Homo by hundreds of thousands of years and fundamentally rewired our digestion. Cooked food is easier to break down. It delivers more calories per bite. It kills pathogens. The moment your ancestors started cooking, their guts shrank, their brains grew, and the trajectory of the entire species changed. But here is what most people miss. Ancient humans ate an extraordinary variety of foods. Researcher Amanda Henry at the Max Planck Institute extracted starch granules from the dental calculus of ancient human fossils and found evidence of wild grains, tubers, seeds, and plants across dozens of species. Not one crop, not one protein source. A rotating, seasonal, unpredictable mosaic of whatever the land offered. Your gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria living in your digestive tract right now, was calibrated for that variety. Researcher Tim Spector at King's College London has found that modern Western diets typically expose the gut to fewer than 20 distinct plant species per week. Hunter-gatherers regularly consumed over 150. The result is a microbiome that is, by comparison, impoverished, less diverse, less resilient, quieter than it should be. That quietness has consequences, not just for digestion, for mood, for immunity, for inflammation, for the signals your gut sends to your brain every single day. Your gut is not a passive tube. It is a nervous system in its own right, containing more neurons than your spinal cord, producing 90% of your body's serotonin, and maintaining a direct chemical conversation with your brain through the vagus nerve. What you eat is not just fuel, it is information. And right now, the information most modern diets are sending is noise. So what do you do with that? You cannot go back. You are not foraging in the savannah. But you can move toward variety. More plants, more fiber, more of the unpredictable. Your gut is not asking for perfection. It is asking for range. The human who sat around that fire 200,000 years ago ate what the season gave. Root vegetables in winter, fruit in summer, meat when the hunt worked, insects when it did not, nuts, seeds, leaves and tubers woven through all of it. That human never had a diet. They had a relationship with the land, and their body was the record of it. Yours still is. You just have to listen to what it is trying to tell you.